Hi, my name is Timmy. I'm with ENS Tech Support. Today we're going to talk about universal base box and universal wall box installation. We have two kinds of universal wall box, okay? One is UWB129. The 129 stands for 12.9 centimeter in diameter, and with another one is the UWB155. So 155, which means the diameter is 15.5 centimeter, and they both fit into the same universal base box, like this, to complete the installation. Let's look at what's in the box. Here we have a universal base box, and we have a template. This is for you to put on the wall so you know where to drill your hole. And we have a wall anchor and a screw for attaching the base box to the wall. And here we have a universal wall box, which is attaching your camera to, and using these adapter plates here. And we have a screw here for attaching the universal wall box to the universal base box. And finally, we have a cable tie here for you to connect, to tie up arrange the cable in the base box. First, attach the template to the wall with the arrow facing down. Drill the hole using the indicator on the template and insert the green wall anchor. Make sure you fix the foam to the back of the universal base box. The foam side needs to be facing the wall. And with the arrow facing down, then you can use the included screw to attach the universal base box to the wall. Now you can bring the universal wall box and fit onto the universal base box and use the included screw to attach the wall box to the base box. In case your camera does not fit onto the hole on the universal wall box, you can just attach the adapter to the universal wall box. Connect the camera to the cable from the universal base box and tuck all the cable back into the universal base box. Use the included screw to attach the camera to the adapter plate and to the universal wall box. If the camera's hole does not align with the universal wall box, use the included self-taping screw. The self-taping screw will be able to penetrate the metal, so use the self-taping screw to affix the camera onto the adapter plate. You probably want to use the power drill to achieve that. And this is how you attach the camera to the universal wall box. Lastly, put the cap back on the camera and twist it on. Then you have a complete camera installation on the universal wall box and universal base box.